Welcome to Maths Minders Academy. If you are new to our channel, hit the subscription button, click on the notification bell so that each time we produce a new video, you will be among the first to receive it. Today, we are going to look at a solution to SAT past paper. We are going to provide detailed solution. We will look at step by step, how questions are expected to be answered so that candidates will obtain the maximum required mark in their SAT examination. So here we have a sample paper, a paper that was written in the past. And so we are going to look at the solutions together. So this is module 1. And here, question number 1, we are asked to find 10% of 470. What is 10% of 470? That's 10% is 10 all over 100 times 470 over 1. So we reduce this, and this we cancel, and that gives us 47. And so option D is the correct option. We'll proceed to question number 2. Question number 2, we look at this equation here. 4x plus 6 equals 18. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? So when we solve this, 4x, we solve equals 18 minus 6. Here we have 4x equals 12. And that is option C. We mark that and we proceed to the next question. We look at question number 3. The total cost in dollars to rent a surfboard consists of a $25 service fee and a $10 per hour rental fee. A person rents a surfboard for 3 hours and intends to spend a maximum of $75 to rent the surfboard. Which inequality represents this situation? So when you look at this, there is a constant, which is 25, then followed by a variable, depending on the hour spent. This is 10. The maximum to be spent is $75. So maximum, we use this. So this means it can spend below or at most $75. So we see that option B is the most appropriate answer. So we proceed to the next question. We go to question number 4. Question number 4, we are given this function g. G function is s squared plus 9. So for which value of s is g of s 25? So we set s squared plus 9 equals 25. And we solve, that gives us s squared equals 25 minus 9. S squared gives us 16. That means s is square root of 16. And that gives us 4, which is option A. We proceed to question number 5. Each face of a fair 14-sided die is labeled with a number from 1 through 14, with a different number appearing on each face. If the die is rolled 1 time, what is the probability of rolling a 2? So a 2, there will be only 1 face having a 2 out of the 14 faces. So we have only 1 face out of the 14, which is option A. Proceed to question number 6. A printer produces posters at a constant rate of 42 posters per minute. At what rate in posters per hour does the printer produce the posters? So we have 42 posters. Okay, let's start it this way. We can say 1 minute. We have 42 posters. Now in 60 minutes, which is 1 hour, we're going to have 42 times 60 posters. So this is 1 hour. This will give us 2,520 posters. So that is the number of posters we will get in 1 hour. Question number 7 says the function f is defined by the equation f of s equals 7s plus 2. What is the value of f of s when s is 4? So we look for f of 4. That will give us 7 times 4 plus 2. So this will give us 28 plus 2, and that gives us 30. So we proceed. Question number 8. A teacher is creating an assignment worth 70 points. The assignment will consist of questions worth 1 point and questions worth 3 points. Which equation represents this situation where S represents the number of 1 point questions and Y represents the number of 3 point questions? So you have the 1 point question as X, then there is Y representing the 3 point question, and that gives us option D. All right, that's the correct option. We move to question number 9. We look at two similar triangles where one is LMN and the other is PQR. They are all right triangles and they are similar. And we are told that L and M correspond to P and Q respectively. Angle M has a measure of 53. So if we draw the triangle this way, so this is LMN, and we have 53 here. So there's another. So we have PQR. So definitely they are going to be equiangular. Of course, they're going to be equiangular. When you talk about similarity, the angles are going to be congruent. So here, what is the measure of angle Q is still going to be 63. It will not change. What will change is the ratio of the corresponding side. That will just be the same, but the angles will remain intact. So we go to the next question. That's question number 10. Question 10, we have to solve this and find the value of S. Now, from the second equation, here, Y is minus 3S. So we put it equals 15. So we have X here equals 15. That's option C. We go to number 11. Of course, this is going to have a negative slope. The slope here is going to be negative because the line, you can see the line is falling. So, and it looks as if, it with the intercept is going to be positive. The intercept is going to be positive. So these are what we'll be looking for. So it's not going to be, this has negative intercept, negative, this one has positive slope, so it can be. We are considering A and B, but it's only B that is most appropriate, which has a positive intercept. It can be A. A has a negative Y intercept. So option B is the correct option for the equation of that model. Question number 12. The graph of Y equals f of s is shown where the function f is defined by as cubed plus bs squared plus cs plus d. We are asked to determine how many values of s does f of s equals 0 have. So when it becomes 0, we have 3 values, 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 values for that. So we pick that and we proceed to number 13. Here, Vivian bought party hat and cupcake for $71. Each package of party hat cost $3 and each cupcake cost $1. If Vivian bought 10 packets of party hats, how many cupcakes did she buy? So 10 packets, one packet of party hats equals $3. Now 10 packets of hats is going to cost $30. So now we are going to remove this $30 from $71, and that gives us $41. And now each cupcake costs $1. And you say, how many cupcakes did she buy? So number of cupcakes equals 41, since each cupcake cost $41. So we proceed to the next question, which is question number 14. Now we have to solve this. So solving this, we factorize using 12 and 2. So this is going to give us minus 2 into this. Okay, so we have z plus 12, z minus 2 equals 0. Solving z plus 12 equals 0, or z minus 2 equals 0, giving us z as minus 12, or going to give us 2. Any of these can be the correct value. Number 15, which is going to be the last for today, we'll proceed up to number 27 in our next video. So you'll be looking out for the second video. We do not want to make it a very long video, so we'll break it into 2 parts. So the part 1 is covering question number 1 to question number 15. So here, bacteria are growing in a liquid growth medium. There were 300,000 cells per milliliter during an initial observation. The number of cells per milliliter doubles every 3 hours. How many cells per milliliter will there be 15 hours after the initial observation? So this is talking about bacterial growth. This is T/3. And then the initial is 300,000, which doubles. And then we are going to have 15 all over 3. So y is going to give us 300,000 times 2 raised to power 5. So it's going to give us 9,600,000, which is option D. All right, so this is how far we go for the first part of this video. If you find this video quite interesting, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that next time we publish a new video, you'll be among the first to get it. So go to the comment section and tell us how you feel about this video. Share this video so that the YouTube algorithm will place it to several other candidates that might need this video. This is Math Minders Academy. We'll be looking forward to see you in our next tutorial class, where we'll be doing solution to number 16 to question number 27. See you in our next class.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams, caught in the spell of the cloud. cosmic night where fantasies bloom.